Hi you guys, welcome back. I am Carrie Penny, the Happy Crafty Homemaker. And here we are. As you can see down below, I'm doing a bit of an unboxing today. So before I do my unboxing, first off, I'd like to say thank you, Gypsy, for my beautiful package that I'm about to unwrap. But if you guys are not already subscribed to Gypsy Rose's channel, go and do that before you finish this video. The link will be down below for her channel. She is trying to get to where she can do the live chats regularly on YouTube. And unless you have 1,000 subscribers, you can't do that from your mobile device anymore. So, once again, it's kind of the frustration of us smaller channels trying to be visible and be active in the community. We're a minority community on YouTube, so go and subscribe to her. Help a girl out. I know like 30% of you guys found me through Gypsy already, so and if you're wondering, Gypsy has been my cheerleader since day one. She was one of my first original 20 subscribers. And just for the record, my first 3 subscribers were me, my husband, and my mom. So me trying to get any type of subscribers or any type of talk about my channel was really hard because none of my friends really craft. So they really weren't interested in my channel. Gypsy took it upon herself to give me a beautiful shout out and has literally 100% been behind me since day one. So if you're not already subscribed, go help her out as a thank you for me, and you will not regret it, I promise. Gypsy is fantastic. So let's get into the presents. And look at the condition of this. This actually got here to me in really good condition compared to like the box I sent Gypsy. Oh, Gypsy, the thing on the very top. I heart me some biscuits and I love me some Tim Tams. Oh my goodness. Do I have to share with Troy? Do I have to share? Gypsy, you totally outdid yourself here. Girl. Looking down in the barrel here. Look at this. I will be able to eat my biscuits for the next couple weeks without any problems. Oh, and look, you even put the card on the outside so I'd see it first. All right, I probably have to pause y'all so you don't have to watch me read. Oh my God. So he's number one. So when I sent my package to Gypsy, my grandson, Tater Tot, helped me pick everything out. He especially picked out the gift for Pixie, who I think he has a little crush on, and her son, Fate. So she has written him a note too, which means that this card will probably be in his possession as well, because he loves getting cards. I have never seen a kid love cards so much. And I love the way you think, Gypsy. She said she would have sent me yarn, but let's be honest, a year's supply of Tim Tams is probably more useful. This is fantastic. I've got original, which, if you haven't tried them, we've got caramel, which is one of my all-time favorite flavors. Dark chocolate. And let me just tell you, this weekend is probably going to be a little rough. So, oh, y'all have specific ones that are for Tim Tam Slams. These are chocolate malt and sticky caramel. Love it. So, if you've never had a Tim Tam, it's kind of like The cookie part, the biscuit part, it's kind of got the texture of like a digestive or a graham cracker, a really good graham cracker, not like cheap graham crackers. It's very tender and crumbly. And then it's filled with chocolate frosting for the originals and then draped in chocolate. I have a feeling Troy will steal these. Oh my God. Oh! Oh! There is nowhere in the States I have ever seen carry raspberry. Holy crap on a cracker. No, I don't love sugar at all, y'all. No sugar for me. We've got white. Literally, girl, this is like a year's supply of cookies. I am so excited. This is like when the Girl Scouts sell cookies here and you end up buying like a case, a year's supply of Girl Scout cookies because you can only get them that one tiny part of the year. Hazelnut and caramel. Oh my God, you guys. I'm going to gain like 20 pounds from this gift. It's going to be worth every calorie. I'm going to have to like do squats and eat cookies at the same time. Oh, I was just talking about honeycomb earlier. We in the States, like nothing has this. There are places in the US where it's a common candy to find, but it's, I know Crunchy bars are wrapped in chocolate, and here it's just like the honeycomb, and it's normally sold in like nuggets, or they'll like make a pan of it and then just break it so it's in little chunks and shards. But that's not very common here in the Southeast because it's so humid here. It's more of a northern latitude kind of thing. So like none of our regular candies have honeycomb in them because there's no way to preserve it to prevent the moisture from making it gummy. So like anytime I get anything with honeycomb, I am overly excited. Those might have to be tried immediately. Our dinner is on the way. Dessert! And I don't think Troy's ever had it before. I'll have to do a whole write-up of what Troy thought of everything. And party mix. Ooh, it's got like the marshmallowy things too. Oh, milk bottle. I see a milk bottle in there. I just told her the other night. I couldn't remember where I had gotten them from, but I gotten sent in gummy milk candies. And if you've never found these or never seen these, I know there are world markets that carry them. So if you live in the city with a world market, go see if they have them. They're Asian ones and Australian ones, and I'm not sure which is better because they're both really good. And it's literally milk flavored gummies, which I know sounds kind of weird, but trust me, it's money well spent. Like, you will enjoy them. They are awesome. There's little milk bottles in there. Tater Tot's gonna have a field day with these. I'm gonna have to see if he can stay home from school one day and spend the day with me. I had originally planned on unboxing this with him. Unfortunately, he started school, so he's no longer with me, so it's a fortunate, unfortunate. But, she made him his own friendship koala. Is that not the sweetest thing? And one of the last days he spent here with me, he was going on about how much he loves the toys that Grandma makes because they're more fun. How sweet is he with his little jumper? You guys, your pocket. And of course, kids love pockets. So he's gonna, like, I'm gonna have to see if I can get a picture of him. I don't know when he's gonna be able to come over by himself without his sister. Or I may have to go out and get her something. I've got a board game, so I might give her a board game and let him have his But it's so cute, y'all. Gypsy, he's so well done. Thank you so much. I'm over here like, he's mine. Nobody can have him. He's mine. But look, and he's got his little eucalyptus. It's just so stinking adorable. No. Thank you. Thank you for the extra 20 pounds I'll have to work off. And thank you so much for the card. I'm going to have to, like I said, I'll probably end up having to give him the card because he loves getting cards so much. So Tater Tot will probably get to keep the card, but I'll have to take pictures of it so I can keep the card at least in photo form so I can remember all of your sweet words. Gypsy, thank you. Tater Tot is gonna love it. I'm just so excited. I've been looking forward to seeing his face when he gets his koala for so long now. And, you know, my grandkids are weird. Like, they are awesome, but they are so weird. And for my little 4-year-old grandson to think that the handmade toys are just the best thing on earth. His mommy makes toys too. She crochets and knits as well. So I know he's just absolutely going to be over the moon. And when you were telling him thank you in your video, you should have seen his little face turn 20 shades of red. He's like, she's talking about me. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Gypsy. I'll have to join you and Ella on the Stitch and Fitness group just so we can see how long it takes us to burn off all the Tim Tams. Are y'all seriously? One a month. I've got 9 months worth of cookies. Oh no. My mom loves Tim Tams too. It's a good thing she lives halfway across the country from me. Otherwise I'd have to share with her and Troy. Oh my gosh. I love it. Thank you so much, Gypsy. I hope to see you soon, and I hope you hit 1,000 soon.